Hello, everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to conduct a two-proportion z-test. Let's go to two-proportion z-test. I'll let proportions 1, I'll just say male, and we'll have a sample size of 1,000. Let's say that proportion is 0.40. And we'll go ahead and add the second proportion. Let's just say female. Sample size. So what we want to do is test to see if these two proportions differ from each other. Under the normality assumption, since you have that large of a sample size, basically over 50, you can assume normality. And the results are auto-drafted, and the results of the two proportion z-test was significant. And we can see that p is less than 0.01. And here we can see that the proportion of males was statistically lower than the proportion of females. Here's our APA table with confidence intervals, nice scroll overs. And when you're all ready, just go ahead and download the document. And that's how you conduct a two proportion z-test.